All right, welcome. It is Academic Decathlon Mathematics section, worksheet number 13. We got four pretty simple questions. Maybe it's three questions. Here we're talking about angles inside of a circle, and there's a relationship between them. This one that is going to be outside, I think this is called a central angle. But the angle that is, let's see what that says. Let's take a little look. Central angle and inscribed angle. There you go. Yeah. So we know right there a central angle has its vertex at the center of the circle, while an inscribed angle has its vertex on the circle's circumference, something like that. And so we notice that it's always going to be half it. Anytime a central angle, I think that's the one right there, an inscribed angle is half of the central angle. Okay, that subtends the same arc. Oh, right, it has the same arc length. Yep, good. So since they have the same arc length here, whoop, this is the inscribed, this is a central angle. So x is going to be half of my central angle, which gives me 76 degrees. Same thing here. This time we know that half of this is going to equal that. So we would say 9x divided by 2 equals 18. We'll multiply by 2/9, multiply by 2/9, and we get x equals 4. And then we would multiply 9 times 4 and get 36 degrees. And that makes sense anyway, right? I mean, that's going to be twice 36. So 9x equals 36. We could have done that x equals 4. That's more of a checking part. That's good. And then I like this one. This is a good one. So here we have a right angle. How do we know of a right angle? Because any line tangent to a circle is always going to be at 90 degrees. So we have, this is our radius, this distance, and this is going to be r. So we can write an equation, r squared plus 6 squared is going to equal the quantity r plus 2 squared. The squares of the legs are always going to equal the square of the hypotenuse. So this is r squared plus 36 equals r squared plus 4, r plus 4. And that's just a binomial square here. Binomial being squared, we know that binomial square is always going to be a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, where a plus b quantity squared. We know that little thing. So we get that. Now let's set it equal to, let's move everything. So we're going to isolate for the variable. We will, let's minus r squared. No, let's move everything the other way. Sorry. Well, it's better. So we'll minus 4 minus r squared minus r squared. That at least gets 32 equals 4r. These cancel, these cancel. And then we divide by 4, and you get 8 equals r. And then, so my diameter is twice the radius, so y is going to equal 2 times the radius, y equals 2 times 8, and y equals 16. 76, 4 degrees, and 16. Nice and fast, nice and quick.